humans.
So yeah guys, what I wanted to feature this week in our vlog is this item you see here. It's a 4-piece wheel cover for the '01 to '02 Honda Civic. They're 15-inch, 4 lug ones. I had this sitting around in storage and I just want to get rid of them. And I'm going to be posting this on the Offerup. So if you guys check out our Offerup link on our YouTube channel, just click on there, check it out, or you can just hit us up on the YouTube in the comment section below. I wanted to share with you guys stuff that I'm going to be getting rid of or selling, so that way I can also show you guys like what we do out here in LA. I think anywhere in the world everyone's going to have like a side hustle, so especially out in California and LA, not only do we have our main jobs, but we also sell stuff on the side, especially at times like right now, you know, with the lockdown and the COVID-19 situation. I mean, we have a lot of stuff just lying around. I mean, if you guys have stuff just lying around, it's a good time to just like post it up for sale, because you know there's always something for somebody.
Oh, nice, dude.
Hi, welcome. What can I get started for you today? See you at the window. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, I had this on the offer up for a little while, and it wasn't really moving or selling at all. But today, someone hit me up on the offer up, and they wanted to get this off my hands, so I'm gonna be selling it today. So let's head on and meet up with the guy and sell it to him. And I'm also throwing in a free gift. I'm gonna hook the guy up with this Tree Frog JDM flag air freshener. So yeah, this is the gift he's gonna be getting when he purchases this Mario DS. So today, someone had messaged me on OfferUp about these Honda Civic taillights that I had posted. It's actually only 3 pieces out of the 4 pieces that I had in my storage. So I had it up for probably like probably like a month. No one didn't hit me up on it until today. So I'm going to be selling it to that person. And here are the taillights. They're aftermarket, like I said. It's for the Honda Civic. I think it's for the 96 to 2000 model. Pretty good condition. Like, I'd never really used it. It was just in storage, and wanted to show you guys how they look like, and just hold on. How do you put this back? I think I had it the wrong way. Go for it. There you go. I think that's the right way. So yeah, so these are for the 96 to 2000 Honda Civic, I believe. And I'm going to be selling this to a guy from Offerup. It's only 3 pieces. I'm missing the right passenger side rear taillight. I'm just selling it as is. It's just been in my storage, never been moved. I had to post an offer for like a month. So finally had someone interested in it today, and I'm going to be selling it. So yeah, here's the left side rear. It's the left side middle part piece of the taillight. And the right side, the inner part rear taillight piece. And just wanted to show you guys the stuff that I had. Just getting rid of it. And I also just wanted to show you guys that you guys can also sell on Offerup. It's pretty much easy. You just download the app, follow the necessary steps to set up the account, and then just post stuff up that you guys have that's just sitting in your storage or just lying around the house that's not really that's just collecting dust, and you could just actually make money off of it. Yeah, here's several of the items that we featured this week, and stay tuned for the next vlog where we'll show you more items and more of the activities that are going down since we are in the lockdown regarding the coronavirus. So I just want to show you what's going around in LA County, and what we're doing to survive and what we're doing to hustle on the side. So subscribe to our YouTube channel at Firm400. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers. We're right now like at 830, so we're almost there. And again, appreciate all the support, and stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you soon. Peace.